the 180,000 Ilagueños and the whole officialdom of the city of Ilagan, it is with great pleasure that we welcome you all to the corn capital of the Philippines and the new sports tourism hub in Northern Luzon, the city of Ilagan. Masayang-masaya po kami. We are happy to welcome the remarkable teams of PLDT, Chocomucho, Petrogas, and FarmFresh. And we are truly honored to host you here and showcase your talents in the Premier Volleyball League on tour at the Capital Arena. Your presence here offer a unique and inspiring opportunity for our community. Not only will you entertain us through your incredible God-given talent and skills on the court, but you will also have the chance to connect with your thousands of fans. Sabi ko nga, nabanggit ko kanina, high school pa lang ako, napapanood ko po yung mangilan-ngilan sa inyo. Si Ma'am Rachel Dakis, sila yung mga nasa wallpaper naming magkakaklase nung high school kami. Si Ma'am Mika Reyes, yung mga kaklase ko din, sila din yung mga wallpaper ng mga kaklase ko nung college ako. Kahit ibang team, ibang university lang magkakalaban yung mga universities namin, idol pa rin ng mga schoolmates ko. So, sa ating lahat po, talagang sinusubaybayan kayo ng mga kababayan namin. Lalo na nakita nyo naman yung hiyawan, narinig nyo yung hiyawan at saya ng mga fans po ninyo dito sa lungsod ng Ilagan na first time makapanood ng mga mahuhusay naman lalaro na katulad po ninyo. Na talagang kayo po yung nagpapasikat lalo sa larangan ng volleyball dito sa ating bansa. At marami kayong mga tagahanga at marami nagmamahal sa inyo dito sa aming lungsod. As some of them attended to meet and greet everyone that happened this afternoon, these interactions enriches the spirit of sportsmanship and camaraderie that we cherish deeply in Ilagan. Sa inyo pong lahat, lalo po ang presidente ng Premier Volleyball League na si Sir Ricky Palou. Thank you so much. Commissioner Sherwin Malonzo na on the way pa lang po dito and other officials of the PVL. Andito rin ang aming mga kaibigan from the PSC, Vision Management Group na nagdala ng PVL dito sa Ilagan. Isang makasaysayang okasyon itong PVL Games dahil ang Ilagan ang kauna-unahang LGU dito sa Cagayan Valley na magdaos ng laro ng PVL. We take pride of Ilagan as venue of various sports tournaments as we have hosted in the past international and national sporting events. Gaya po nung ASEAN Youth Athletics Championship, nag-host na po ang city namin nun. Philippine Athletics Championship, World Boxing Championship through Ilorde Sports Center. May team din po kami sa MPBL, yung Ilagan Isabela Cowboys, which is already competing. Baseball Philippine Series among the many events we hosted. Yung kulang na lang volleyball at kayo na po yung kumompleto sa mga sports na na-host namin dito sa aming lungsod. Pero iba po ang dating ng women's volleyball. Dito nakita ko kung gaano kalakas ang fan base ng mga teams na ito. Dahil mula pa sa Metro Manila at sa ibang lugar, kahit malayo ang Ilagan, kung by land po, nasa 10 to 11 hours po. Kung by plane, halos 1 oras. Pero kahit mga taga Manila, kahit taga Vizcaya, Cagayan, talagang nakikipag-agawan dun sa ticket. 1 araw pa lang po na sold out agad. Ganun po kalakas ang inyong fan base dito sa Northern Luzon. Again, thank you. And may your games be filled with excitement, sportsmanship, and success. Again, welcome to the city of Ilagan sa ngalan ni Mayor J. Diaz at sa aking mga kasamahan sa konseho at ang 180,000 Ilagueños. May your short stay here be your home, away from home. Thank you for visiting our beloved city and good luck po sa inyong lahat. To God be all the glory and good evening.
First of all, we'd like to express our deep gratitude for the invitation for us to play here in Ilagan City. For us, it's an honor to be able to play here in front of all of you. We've noticed that we've inspected the Coliseum, and we're very happy to tell you that it's really a very good Coliseum for us to play in. In fact, we're hoping a lot of cities and areas where we play will have facilities like this. Maganda talaga yung facility nyo. On behalf of the PVL teams and the Sports Vision Management Group. We are deeply honored to play here, and thank you again very much. You know, our aim is to really get the people interested in the sport of volleyball. That's why we want to bring the games to the provinces and the different cities all over the country. We're hoping the people will get interested and more kids will start playing volleyball. And who knows, in the future, baka meron din kayong mga manlalaro galing dito sa Ilagan City na makakalaro sa PBL, di ba? So, that's really one of the purpose why we want to bring the games all over the country. Anyway, I think I've spoken long enough. Maraming salamat to sa inyo lahat.